Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be unboxing and giving you my first impressions from my Glossier order. I actually got this package a few days ago but didn't get the chance to film it, so I've been really excited. I can't wait to show you guys what I got. So first off is this sticker. It's so cute. It's the Glossier Fall 2020 sticker. It's like this blue and with like some purple, and I don't know where to put it because I already have two of them, one on my laptop, one on my water bottle. Comment where you think I should put this next one. I also got two samples. They usually only send one, so I was really confused when I opened it. I only asked for I don't even know what I ordered for my sample. They didn't actually send me like a receipt or anything, so I don't know. But they gave me the cleanser and the cloud paint. I actually have one of the Glossier cloud paints in Dawn. If you want, in another video, I can go over the other Glossier products I have and just show off my collection. But anyway, here's what I got. I got three things. It was from like the Core Lip collection. I love lip products. I know it's kind of weird, especially since with COVID and wearing masks, you can't really wear many lip products, but I'm still ordering them. As my lips are a little crusty, I don't have anything on right now, and I want to just test these out for you guys. So first I'm going to test out the new Glossier Wild Fig balm.com. It's so cute. I know a lot of people give this a lot of backlash because they didn't want fig. They wanted like strawberry or peach or lavender even. I don't even know what a fig is supposed to taste or smell like, so we'll see. There are little figs on the sides of the packaging, a little box, which is super cute. I love the Glossier balm.com packagings. They're dope. I kind of keep them because they're so cute. So here's what it looks like. I'm in love with the whole like light purpley lavender and green combination. I think it's like they really go with each other and it's super flattering. Yeah, so the tint is a little bit pink. It's not focusing, but there you go. Let's see what it smells like. It smells familiar. I think honestly, it smells like strawberries, kind of. Like, not like a stereotypical like strawberry candy, but more like a strawberry, like vitamin. Or it's kind of like strawberry banana or like strawberry and peach or something like that. It smells like a smoothie. Anyway, let's see how these swatch. Oh god, I don't want to squeeze out too much. Ooh, that's nice. Okay. That is very pigmented. It was described as on the website as like a corally type lip balm, which I think it's kind of to make up for the disappointment of the tint for the mango balm.com, but look at that. I love it. Anyway, I'm gonna put it on. Yes. Okay, so honestly, can't see much difference, I don't think. No, actually, it makes my lips a little bit more bright, I would say. Definitely soothing lip. It's not the most soothing lip balm, I'm gonna be honest about that. But I still like it as like a daily type of lip balm or something that adds a little bit of color, or at night. At night, I put it on. In the morning, my lips look super plump. I'm gonna try, actually no, I'm gonna keep this on my hand so I can compare it with my other swatches. So next, I'm gonna show you guys where is it? There you go. I ordered a Generation G in the shade Leo. I know a lot of people were saying how a lot of, I guess, mixed reactions to Generation G, a lot of mixed opinions. Some people say it's too drying, some people say it's perfect. So we're gonna see. I had a huge thing for matte lipsticks like years ago. I've been leaning more towards glosses now, but I kind of want something matte for under my mask maybe. we'll see about that. I also been loving like the brown lip trend, like the 90s brown lip. Let's see. Okay, I should get a tissue for this actually to wipe off the lip balm so it doesn't transfer. Give me a second. Okay, I'm back with a mirror as well, just so that I can actually see what I'm doing. Let's try this out. I actually, wait, hold on. Hold up. I actually really like this. Yeah, it's not like a bold in your face brown, which I kind of like because I have been liking like more neutral lip colors, but I really like it. And I think it's really easily buildable. You can build it up even more, and if you really wanted to. Kind of smells almost like florally, like a crayon floor, like a plasticky florally, which I'm not sure I'm the biggest fan of. But I'm gonna give you guys a hand swatch as well, just so you can see. So this with, so here, that's with 2 little swatches. So it is quite pigmented, but still like sheer enough where you can build it up to whatever you want. Okay, so next I'm gonna try out their lip gloss, the Glossier lip gloss in the shade Clear. I don't really like glittery shades or glittery things just because the glitter tends to go everywhere, and I'm not really much of a, I'm more of a muted person in terms of makeup taste. And I didn't like the red because I was afraid that it'd be too red, and I don't know, I'm picky, I'm sorry. Okay, so anyway, let's see what it smells like. Doesn't really smell like anything, which is nice. Like, just keep that in mind if you're thinking of buying it. But it's good for people who don't like scents, I suppose. So I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. I mean, it's just clear, so you can't really see it, but maybe you can see like the sheen of it. Yeah, it's shiny, that's for sure. Anyway, okay, let's try this. Okay. Where's the mirror? Oh, I actually really like this. I did not expect to like it. So like, I know you might be asking like, why would you buy it if you didn't think you'd actually like it? Well, okay. So the one time I actually did try it before was at the Glossier showroom, like years ago in New York. I mean, actually, no, not years ago. It was just a year ago. It felt like years ago. And I didn't like it because like the applicator was weird, like the sample applicator was weird. And it was kind of like, oh, it's like literally any dollar store lip gloss. Like, why am I buying this? But I really like this. I bought like the Essence lip gloss and hoping that it was like similar. And I really do like that one, but they do feel different. So I wouldn't say it's a dupe, even though a lot of people do say it's a dupe. I'm gonna do a whole clear lip gloss dupe video for you guys some other time. I have like I have tried quite a few clear lip glosses, so yeah. So the lip gloss is actually very like non-sticky. Like, I'm really surprised because I know a lot of people did say that it is a somewhat stickier formula, while other people said it was not. It is definitely not sticky. I have tried way stickier. Very lightweight. Doesn't feel like there's anything there. Sometimes I avoid some glosses just because they feel so heavy and I just feel like my face is like weighed down. But I really like this, and there's like the most like, it's not like a glass-like sheen, I want to say, but it is very like simple and adds a nice touch. I'd probably layer it over my new generation G and Leo, but we'll see. Anyway, guys, that is it for the video today. Comment if you guys have tried Glossier or have planned or thought about ordering from Glossier. I would love to hear what you want or your wish list. Yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, Twitch, the whole shebang. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!